Hi, and welcome to Yolo Queen Bee Tarot. I'm Yolo Queen Bee, and I am doing a reading for November 2021 for Virgo. So I have split the cards and prayed over them, and we'll cleanse them real fast and thank Elohim and Gaia for sage and its healing and cleansing power. Thanks be to God. All right. Virgo, what's going on with the Virgos? Okay, Spirit, tell us what's going on for collective Virgos. What's going on here? Okay, you just all want to fall out. It's not give me a chance. All right. So we have the Three of Pentacles, the High Priestess, the Moon, King of Pentacles, and the Knight of Wands. See, Virgo. Three of Pentacles talks about a collaboration, learning a skill, when it comes to work, but also talks of three-party situation. And being that the High Priestess is here, now the High Priestess, she's very intuitive, and she understands the thought, and she understands mysteries of the universe. But this is also a secret card. So maybe there's some kind of I'm hearing sneaky link. There's some kind of third-party sneaky link. And again, here we have the moon energy, talks about illusions and things still being hidden. So there's definitely a huge secret between a third-party situation, Virgo. It might involve the King of Pentacles, someone who is about their money. As you can see, he sits on his throne and he's very stern. And he could be someone who, the Knight of Wands is about actions. All the Knights are about actions, but they're about coming and going action. So maybe this King of Pentacles is somebody who has been in their Knight of Wands energy. Like, they come and go. They're here for a good time, not so much a long time, right? And maybe because it is a sneaky link, that's the way it is. So who are you messing around with, Virgo? The King of Pentacles is, he's earth. This is Aries. This is earth and fire. So we're talking Aries, Sagittarius, and Leo. And we're also talking about Taurus, Cancer, and, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn as well. Okay, Spirit, what's this third party or Three Pentacles? Here we go. Oh, here we go. The Hangman. The Hangman, which he was in reverse, right? He landed like this. So the Hangman, this is definitely Pisces energy. So when he's not in reverse, that means he's no longer Hangman mode. As you could see, someone whose crown is illuminated. And they're content. They're not stressed. They're actually probably getting some kind of downloads, or their intuition's trying to talk to them when they're in Hangman mode. They're usually comfortable and content where they are. But when he's in reverse, that means he's ready to make a move. And maybe there's going to be some conflict in his decision. But he feels, or I'm saying he because I'm getting a masculine energy, he feels that he's in an advantage point when it comes to this conflict to deal with this third-party situation. Wow. What does a High Priestess know? Judgment. So the High Priestess, she's aware. She's aware. Judgment. Clarify the judgment, please. Clarify the judgment. Thank you. Yep. The Page of Cups and the Queen of Swords. So the judgment is, like I say, pages of messengers. Someone might be bringing a message of amor, or feelings or love, a small cup of love. It also could be someone who's younger. A Pages is a younger person. Maybe it's a young person who's bringing in a small cup of love to this Queen of Swords. Now, this Queen of Swords, you see she has her hand out like, come, bring me, come, you're next. Come talk to me. Bring me what you have to say. But I got this sword ready to cut you with my words. The Queen of Swords, like I say, she wants to know the who, what, when, where, and how now, so she can deal with it. She wants it straight up, like the sword. Be factual, be straight up, and we ain't got time for games. She ain't no one got time for that. So Virgo, we're dealing with the Pisces who has now made a choice about who they're going to offer their love to. Is that what's hidden? Clarify the King of Pentacles. What's going on with this King of Pentacles? The Lovers. So the King of Pentacles as the lover, this is like a twin flames card. Confirmation, just ding. So this could be Gemini. This also could be Gemini energy and their 10 of Cups. So this King of Pentacles is going towards their twin flame for their ultimate 10 of Cups. But they know that there's going to be conflict in some kind of sneaky link. Clarify this Knight of Wands. Who's this Knight of Wands? 10 of Pentacles. Definitely who's someone's bringing in some news about money. You know, ultimate happiness. You know, the Knight of Wands usually comes with enthusiastic information. He's in energy's enthusiastic. Their whole vibe, right? But you got to be careful because the Knight of Wands, like I said, they're in and out energy. Clarify this 10 of Coins. What's this 10 of Coins? To clarify the 10 of Coins. The Page of Swords. I mean, someone's watching or could be spying on this situation. Or maybe you, Virgo, maybe you're spying on this King of Pentacles you've been having a sneaky link with, that you know that they're headed towards someone else. So you're just waiting to see if the shoe falls. And we got the Victory card. So someone feels like they're going to be victorious coming out of this Hangman energy, even though there's some conflict. All right, Virgo. Let's get you an oracle card. Let's get some happiness for this situation, shall we? I'm using the Gaia Oracle deck by Toni, Carmine, Salerno. Beautiful cards, illustrations, beautiful messages. All right, get us a message for Virgo, please. A message for Virgo. Message for Virgo. I hear that we got this song on Pandora, I Feel For You. So someone, you feel for someone, Virgo? Even though you know it's been a sneaky link. Perfection. Fire. Bare Essentials, The Naked Truth, and Wholeness. Card 14, which breaks into a 5. And 5 talks about change. So maybe there's a change. Let's see. What is it that your heart truly desires? What do you perceive is missing in your life? In order to find the answers, you must look inside your heart. You already know, you already know this, but have been reluctant to look because a part of you fears what your heart is trying to tell you. The only way forward is to face your fear. Something in your life is not working out as you would have liked it to be. It is not going to get any better unless you have the courage to face it. Close your eyes and relax. Imagine a beautiful flame warming your heart and soul. Feel its purifying and healing light burning away your fears and doubts, healing your body and mind and clearing away all obstacles, either imagined or real. Feel your heart center as an endless space full of only love and light. Feel the peace. You are safe in the eternal space of light. Now, what is your heart saying? When it brings a tear to your eye, you will know that it is your truth. Your soul will guide you towards happiness. All you need to do is follow, trust. Follow your intuition. Affirmation. I listen to my heart and follow its guidance. I deserve to be happy. I have power to create my reality. I trust that all will work out well. My life is clear of obstacles. I say. Good stuff, Virgo. So definitely, whatever kind of connection you have, you got to speak your truth. Use your throat chakra. Unlock it. Speak your truth. Then you'll definitely have clarity, All right, Virgo, that's what I have for you. Remember, I'm Yolo Queen B. You only live once. And I love you. Namaste.